Hi, I'm Matthew Arnott. I'm ERP product lead for End. So I'm responsible for implementing D365 in the organisation. This will be my 8th large-scale ERP implementation. End is a global multi-brand luxury retailer. We sell predominantly online, with 90% of our sales going through our online channel. We have 3 stores in the UK. We sell to 80 countries globally, and we are one of the UK's fastest growing companies. As a company, we're self-implementing Dynamics 365, and therefore we needed to find a partner who would work with us on our terms and the way we wanted to operate. A lot of traditional partners have a very set process for how they want you to implement Dynamics 365, and find it very difficult to work with a company such as us who are self-implementing. And this is where Dynamo came in. And what they offer is a service that allows us to implement at our pace and in the way that we want to implement, and they provide the technical support and the technical resource that we need when we need it. Okay. They've taken the time to understand the business, they evidently understand the solution, and they're able to web those two together to provide us with sensible and pragmatic solutions. Dynamo are really cost effective to work with. Because it's offshore for us, we do a lot of work via video conference and teleconference, and that's a really effective use of time. They're able to front the right person when we need to speak to them. So they've taken the time to understand our business, taken the time to understand what it is we're trying to achieve and how we're trying to achieve it. And therefore they've integrated really well within our project team. And I like to look at Dynamo as a sort of extension of my internal project team. So Dynamo don't have the layers of project bureaucracy that you get with other partners, where we can actually discuss our issues with them, whether it be something really high level, an architectural design for the platform, or whether it's something really detailed and involved in actually coding the solution. In my 20 years of implementing ERP platforms, this is the first company I've been comfortable with giving a testimonial.